You're welcome to Facebook Ads in 60 minutes. I want to really appreciate your time, your investments, in terms of time and money. So I want to really encourage you that you are in the right place. So just take your time and go through the videos. I want to believe many of you will have some questions to ask. I have a support group, the Telegram group, where you can ask your questions. The essence of this course is to help you achieve results in Facebook advertising. So just ensure that you are always, you spend time to go through the video, watch the video, ensure you watch the video. Then I want to say this, that you need to have the right mindset for you to really make it big online, sell your products, sell your services. You need to direct traffic to your sales funnel. This is very, very important. So everything you need to increase sales, scale up your business using Facebook advertising has been discussed in this video. So if you have any question, any observation, just go to the Telegram support group and chat me up. You just can chat me up one on one. I'm available. So please take your time, go through the videos. If you have any question, any challenge, please and please let me know. I want to believe that you will get the best from this course. The ultimate goal is for you to run Facebook advertising profitably without wasting your money, burning your money, and we want you to see results and get results. So I'll be, of course, meeting you in the members area. So don't forget, if you have any question, go to Telegram support group and ask your question, or you can WhatsApp me as you have access to my number, my WhatsApp number. So I wish you the best in this course. Thank you. I will see you in the members area.